Hello everyone! In this video, I will teach you how to add admins to your Facebook page. But first, let us open the application. Proceed to your page and in the upper right corner, go to Settings and click the Page Roles section where you can edit the people who are behind your Facebook page. In adding another person to your page, Facebook will require you to enter your password. Once you enter it, you can now add the person by typing their name in the search section. You can choose what role they will portray in the page. Since we will add an admin, we will choose the admin role. Once we add a new person, a confirmation notification will be sent to the person that you've added. Once they confirm it, they will officially become an admin to your Facebook page. That's how easy and fast it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching!